How to stop redirects in the Google Chrome browser. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through how we can stop redirects in the Google Chrome browser. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. First of all, you just need to head over and open up your Google Chrome browser, since we're stopping the redirects from there. After that, just go ahead and tap on the three dot. And you're just going to locate the option called settings here. Just go ahead and click on settings after opening up your Google Chrome browser. And here at the left side of your settings, you're going to find the option called privacy and security. And then on that section, we're going to locate the option called site settings. Just go ahead and click on site settings. And after going to the site settings of the privacy and security, we're just going to scroll a bit until we are able to find the pop-up and redirects option here under content. Just go ahead and locate that option. Just go ahead and click on it. After that, you can see this option here which says sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. So we're just going to go ahead and select this setting, second one, which don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. And that's it. That is how you basically turn off redirects on your Chrome browser. So therefore, follow the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.